Hi everyone, welcome to Dazzling Handmade. Today I'm going to show you some of my stamp collection. To keep this short and sweet, I'm only going to show you them by theme. I will show you how it looks like and what the result is. I have a few hundred, well actually over 1,000 stamps, and I want to show you all of them. So this will be part one. Make sure you hit that bell button to receive notification when I post the next video. What you're looking at here is just a small part of it. So this is just a tiny part of my collection. Hey guys, again, today we're gonna be doing a vintage item. This video is gonna be a little bit longer just because we have a lot to look through. So I'm gonna show you vintage items stamps and I'll show you the results. So first one is we got clocks, TV, fan, phone, a light, and this is a measurement thing for cooking, and then you can see the outcome. I bought all of these stamps online. If I can find them again, I will link a link down below so you can find it for yourself. But this came out really good because these are vintage stamps. We are going for a rusty look, so it's okay if they are a little bit off. Here I got a key set. Not sure what this is, but these are different kinds of keys. Oh, here we go. That's a lock. This, I'm not sure what this is. Oh, this is some kind of like the door lock that you just slide. And these are keys you can use in so many ways. You don't even have to make a card. You can just decorate something with it. You can even decorate a simple napkin with them. Here we have a very cute different kinds of stamps. We got butterfly, another key, home sweet home. This home sweet home you can use in so many different cards. You don't necessarily have to use it with the other items that came with it. Let's celebrate you. That's very cute. You can put this in a birthday card. Where there is love, there is life. Something like this you can even use on a price tag if you sell things at a market maybe. Here we got some vintage furniture. A closet. I think this is a chair. A mirror, candle lights, and a bird cage. Yeah, so this set is from China. And clearly whoever made it forgot to take out the sample text out, but it's fine. We don't have to use that, or we can just, if you see something like this, all you need to do is you got a pair of scissors and you can just cut part of it out, so it will be on its individual stamp. You can build a whole room with furniture like this. And another, in here we got some bigger items. Let me see the measurement on this one. So this is 4 inches, about 3 inches wide. We've got a hat, a bench, life is a journey, sentiment, a hat, and this lamppost with a purse and a bird on it. I think the bicycle is very nice. You can put the bicycle with an Eiffel Tower and just mix and match. Okay, here we've got some smaller items but still useful. So we have a frame. We could either use it like this or like this. Use it like this and then have a sentiment in here. And then we got a little car, a camera, crown, Air balloon. It's so funny that the air balloon is smaller than the bag. Crown, luggage, more luggage, airplane, old school airplane, and then some musical things. Alright, so this is very similar to one of the other ones. We got similar, not the same, but similar mirrors, and these are also similar. This one is bigger, thicker, and the purse has a bow, but it does look pretty much the same but smaller. So in here we also have that sample text, but we've got the chair and a purse on top of the chair, and then we have a lamp that's usually on the wall, and then we got this little cute shoe rack and the purse, and then the lamp is very cute too. So the purpose of this video is just to show you the outcome. This is the two different stamp, and it's a whole image. So there's 1 and 2. These ones are great for like background stamping, or put them in a journal because it's pretty big, so it can cover about half of the page. And it's supposed to look a little rusty. I think these are very good quality. Another tailoring set. We've got a corset, a sewing machine, tailor, buttons, scissors. Not sure what this is supposed to be, but you could use those for edges. Make it look like a lace edge on a card. Could be very nice. We are halfway through. A big sun. So this is the sun. Imagine this in a light brown color, and you can stamp it in the background, and it would look a little rusty, like it's been on that page for 100 years if you get the colors right. This one is 3.5 inches. Yeah, 3.5 inches both ways. I think it came out amazing. Very nice detailing. A couple more. These are just accents. Oh, good times, sweet. There's love, forever. The chandelier looks amazing. I love all the tiny little details on it. And then these are just accents you can use pretty much anywhere. Here we have a bottle and a cocktail. I think that's an old-fashioned. Here we have an old-fashioned whiskey, and it's probably gonna be a whiskey bottle. And I'm not sure what this is, but I think they'll be great in any like outside floral Christmassy cards. You can paint them, the leaves green and the little dots red. It will make a perfect Christmas card decoration. Clocks. Some time turners. So we've got different clocks, and these are, there's 3 little how do you call this from the clock? A clock stick, and you can build your own clock with it. There's a lot of ways you can use clocks, especially if you're going for a vintage look. Over here we have this little set, and in here we have all the Roman numbers and some accents for edges. Alright, let's get back to fashion. See, a lot of these stamps, they just refused to get clean. It was just not wanting to get clean, even though I washed it with a sponge. It just, I don't know what happened to it. Just got stuck on it. So the outcomes, we have, is this Tesla? It looks like Tesla. We have a men's fashion, a camera. Oh, it's a watch. I think that's, yeah, it's a watch. I just put it upside down, sorry. A bow tie, hat, umbrella, pipe, another hat, and some pajamas. Very fancy. Okay, here we have a whole card. So there are some feathers and some mailing postmarks. The date is Boston, June 20, 19... I think it's supposed to be 1987 or 1888. Okay, this one looks amazing. So we've got these that you can use on edges. We've got these screws that you can combine with the clocks. Then we got an old bicycle. So this is how it looks like, the bicycle. And then there's a man. I think it looks like a playing card, maybe. This light bulb, very cute. Now we got a lock, 100% pure and vintage. So this you can combine with a clock and a sentiment, and it will look great. Alrighty, the last one. Yeah, these are hard to tell sometimes. So when you look at these, it's pretty hard to tell what it is exactly. So that's why I made the other side an example so I can see what's on it. It says handcrafted quality goods since 1997. The little postman, cute little package. We got a typewriter, mailing thing that this you can basically use with a Christmas card, paper black writer, letter crafting. You can use this when you're mailing something. It'll be really cute. Photographer. You can put this with a scrapbook with your photo underneath, and then vintage collection. So these are very cute. Today you've seen all of these, and I've got a ton more, trust me. So if you wanna get a notification when I post a new video and showing you all my other stamps, click the little bell button and you'll get a notification when I get a new video. So I hope you enjoyed this, and we'll see you in the next video.